Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to clean up the rest of the exhaust that I got for the SVO. I almost got the long tubes in. I just got 2 tubes left to put in, and then I can connect the rest of the exhaust up when I finally clean it up. So here's what I got to clean up: the 2 chrome tailpipes, which are looking rough. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with those, and the muffler mid-pipe section. I'm gonna ceramic coat it, so I gotta clean her up. Alrighty, here we go. Okay, you can't tell because my camera's got a gimbal, but my freaking hand is shaking from all the grinding. Alright, that's the best I can do because my grinder is getting a little worn out, and this is really more for polishing. But it did alright. Might scrape away a little bit at the connections, but I think that's pretty good. Now I can put a coat of VHT ceramic paint on it. Alright, now I'm going to put a coat of ceramic paint on it. There we go. Just gotta let them dry and then cure them when they're on the car. But I gotta get another can because that's 1 can and I want to put more on there. I don't think there's enough. But they're looking pretty good. Mac mufflers. It's the whole Mac system, so I'm going to try to put it all in and keep it together.